All right, so getting started with making coils, I want to make sure that my clay is quite plastic. You are asking it to stretch a lot. I'm going to tear a chunk off and start to first just shape it in my hands, right? So a coil is kind of like snake-like, right? So I'm going to start to shape that, and then I want to roll it out on the table. Now, as you do this, you will probably get it flattened. You can just tap this down, but what I found works really well is if you give it a little twist and then roll it again. Now, again, this is really only going to work if your clay is plastic enough, right? And as it gets thinner and thinner, it will start to break. Now, I'm moving my hands across the coil as it gets longer, so it's traveling to make sure that my coil stays consistent, right? So it's the same thickness around. This is about a thumb thickness for a coil, which I would use for maybe medium or larger. So maybe like a 8-inch or larger project. You can cut it smaller if you're making something smaller, or depending on your workspace. I could keep rolling this if I wanted to work with something smaller, say a cup or something. And in that case, I would go for maybe finger thickness for my coil.